You can continuously make $15, $80, or even $150 by simply clicking on advertising. All you have to do to get started is click on the adverts. That is the exact way that people from other nations can get money by just clicking on advertising. Don't worry, this is fully legal, free, and available in every nation on Earth. All you require is a smartphone or a PC. In this video, I'll provide you with a ton of examples and proof that you can follow along with. Before we start, subscribe to the channel. The website I'll show you today, adverts.net, allows you to get paid simply for clicking on advertising. You can participate in games, offers, referral programs, surveys, competitions, and other activities. However, I want you to focus on going to websites. By just browsing various websites and clicking on various advertisements, you can make real money. They are very transparent about all of their profits on this website. Their daily and weekly payout totals are available here. When you cash out your money, you have several payment options, including PayPal, bank transfers, Skrill, Paytm, Airdm, Bitcoin, Neteller, and Perfect Money, to name a few. Simply put, there are a plethora of different payment methods accessible globally. You can tell that many people have already cashed out by looking at the username portion that they are from different nations. As shown by the flags next to each user's username, many people from all over the world are now able to make money online by simply clicking on advertisements. Anyone may accomplish this without any prior knowledge, and I'll provide you with several instances of how to raise your revenue. If you wish to register for a free account, simply click this button. You will be directed to this page where you only need to enter your full name, email address, preferred username, and set up password. You only need to input your birth date and place of birth and click the "I'm not a robot" button to show that you are aware of the terms of service and are in agreement with them. Then select Register from the menu. The first thing you'll notice when logging into your account is the leaderboard. You can click on a variety of adverts when you log into your account, with banner ads being the most popular. All of these banner advertising will be available for you to click on and continuously make money when we reach the appropriate part. If you choose to click on any of these banner adverts, they will direct you to a different website where you can perform this action on your computer or mobile device. Stay on this site for 30 seconds. You don't need to click any buttons, sign up, or make any purchases. You only need to wait here for 30 seconds. One very important thing is to make sure you don't make this error. When they visit the website and click on the banner advertising, many users don't do anything. They don't navigate away from the page, they just stay put. Make sure you don't commit this mistake because, in the end, they don't profit from these adverts. Please look around this website. If you don't do anything, they'll think you're a robot and won't deposit any money into your account, so you need to look around. You must walk around, scroll, and stay on the website for a little while after entering. After a little movement, you can just hold your position for 5 to 10 seconds before beginning to move again. You may show them that you are a real person, not a robot, by doing that. After 30 seconds, they can credit money to your account. Simply click another banner once you're done with the first. There are countless different banner adverts on this page that you may click on to start making money. That's it for today. If you liked the video, smash the like button.